So, hey Noon. So after pouring like 5-6 days ago, concrete I'm talking about, and torrential rains since then, this is what we got done. That represents one full mixer load, 6 yards or 6 meters. It's cubic, and so we're raring to go again. Just waiting, and so the mixer is here at the ready, set up. It gets hauled by wheelbarrow, and I'll show you soon. So this is how it gets hauled back to the back. And this one is going to be a huge amount of work to get all 5 yards. And you'd be surprised. This fill up here from the truck is, dozens and dozens of fills. Well, the concrete pour today went very nicely, and they've staked out here, and that part you see will go all up the side out to the main big pad, but and this one is almost as far, so we'll probably take about another full truck and a half to get it done to what we want. And as you can see, what they do is they pour it and then they wait 2 to 3 hours for it to set up a little bit, and then they do the smoothing, and you get a finish that is kind of like frosted glass. Of all the skills these workers have, which include building all of that, plumbing, all the stuff they do, block and mortar. They built the whole wall around this place. I think their number one skill is pouring concrete. So I'll give you a quick finish here. So out here is the whole main driveway inside the fence. That will eventually be concrete pad. This same kind of finish like I'm walking on right now. Very, very smooth. So where I showed you back there, where they've gone, so it's going to take another truckload, mixer truck, 5-6 yards, something like that, to get up to about this point. We're going to do the front later, but this is going to help with finishing off everything we have in the rear of the property. Hi, Mo. Hi. Noon. So this is how far they got today. So we got a little bit to get to here, but it's just continuous work every day, and I love it. There's nothing more I love doing than supervising this work.